Hello and welcome to In Conversation with the One Hour Mentor, Anak Desai. Anak Desai has been a suit for 30 years before he turned mentor, coach, and founder of the One Hour Mentor and OnePlus 99 Experience Consulting. You can learn more about him across social media platforms as @Anak. This is a casual conversation with professionals from various fields. We ask them about their life journey and attempt to gather lessons from their triumphs and failures. This recorded show is accessible on YouTube and other platforms. So let's begin our conversation with the One Hour Mentor, Anak Desai.
Our guest today is Deep Ganatra, a very early adopter of technology. He's dabbled in hosting sites, cutting CDs for music, and much more. Whilst he does do business, and if you have a website, he gives you the best possible service, I would say. He is also a CTO with a digital company. Welcome, Deep. So I know that you have been an entrepreneur for a pretty long time, at least 10 years that I know of.
Yeah,
But
15
where did it all start? Where do you come from? A business family? Do your schooling where you started selling peppermint for 50 paisa and became an entrepreneur? How was it? What made you?
Yeah, so it's like business family. The dad runs a business, and since then I've been seeing him running the show and doing things he wanted.
But
So then
no, nothing related to technical business
no,
or
he
technology.
has a chemical business, and he wanted me to join him to sell these dyes and chemicals to people. And I was
Okay.
like, I even tried. Initially around the college time, he said, "Avijao." So I just went there, and he used to manage something on the books, nothing on computer. I was like, "What is this? What are you guys doing? What era we are in?" And I said, "I'm not. I don't want to." Sell chemicals and dyes for you. He said, then we'll handle my business. I said, I don't care about it. Let me do whatever I want.
So
And
you
then
basically came from the Hindu, Gujarati, Marwadi, Jain family where
yeah,
college का pocket money चाहिए तो first year के बाद office पे आने का है तो pocket money मिलेगा kind of thing.
exactly. Same story. Then
Good.
I said, I'll figure out my pocket money. So I started doing freelancing.
Okay.
So I designed a website for a MP3 website. The guy was running MP3 website way back in 2002, I guess.
Okay.
So that was the first website I designed. He gave me some money, and then that's when my freelancing journey started. And then I even did a website for third year BCom students,
Oh.
tybcom.com. That became really popular because that was the time where people did not have any sources for the education online,
Correct.
at least for the TYBCom. So I was facing difficulty, so I made something out of it and put everything online, and people started loving it. So ran that website for quite some time. Then I joined a company just to get some experience. Taj Online was the first company. I hope names are fine.
Yeah. Of course. As
Yeah,
long as you don't have a problem.
yeah. That's where I learned a lot of things. Did even networking, SEO, PHP. Even at the time of Rakhi and Mother's Day, ended up packaging all the gifts. And at that time, calling cards were very popular. US
Right.
based people used to buy the calling cards. So
Yes.
we also used to deal in calling cards. So started calling people in midnight. That was a US daytime for the activation of calling card, this, that. So learned a lot of things from there. And then started my own journey with my company, WebGen Solutions. Did that for about 10, 12 odd years. Is still running
Okay.
as a background.
Right now, it's more or less fully automated with
Yeah,
you
that's
or
how
your
it is.
wife just taking a look once a day kind of a thing, right?
Yeah. We don't go for the new customers or anything. The ones which are already there, we just serve them, and that's the goal.
Okay.
And that also I'm doing just because I really love to keep in touch with people,
Okay.
just to understand how people are liking my services and everything. But otherwise, money is not the goal. Just to be in touch
Okay.
with people. Then I partnered with a Canada-based company.
Okay.
We worked for about 5, 6, 7 odd years.
Okay.
Then things didn't work out financially, so I moved out and joined MyGlam as a CTO.
Okay. It's been what,
And
2 years at MyGlam now?
3 and 4 years now.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah, it's time flies.
Time flies.
2016 is when I joined MyGlam. So it's my fourth year
Ah.
now. I'll just complete in a couple of months. So yeah, I mean that's what I am right now.
MyGlam, you've seen all the three pivots that MyGlam took in the last 4 years,
Yeah, a lot of things.
from home
Home salon, yeah,
to to selling to brands to manufacturing,
yeah,
and
there are a
now
lot of
your
things.
own retail stores, so to speak of.
Yeah, so now we are mostly into e-commerce and the retail stores, but since COVID, as
Ah,
everyone knows, everything is shut.
everything is shut down.
Yeah, yeah, that's how
That's
it
true.
is.
How large is the company people wise?
So we have about 250 odd people.
Oh, and all of
Yeah,
them based out of Bombay.
yeah, everyone is Bombay. We have few people like regional sales managers and all in different locations,
Okay. So
but 90% of corporate staff is in Mumbai.
as like you say, as a CTO,
Hmm.
does digital also fall under your domain, or you have
No.
somebody else doing it with your, you providing inputs or?
So we have different people handling different things. So digital comes under Chief Marketing Officer.
Okay,
She handles the digital overall, and our CEO Darpan looks after it along
okay,
with her. So I handle the whole technology part where how tech can help the business in any manner.
okay,
So all the departments get connected to me for tech related stuff for sure.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So during this long journey of, at least uh, doing it yourself twice, doing it for others twice, and all that, what was the one single learning which was consistent and common throughout?
The one thing I learned is like you have to trust people. I mean, it's slightly philosophical and it's different than others.
Right.
But often, as a entrepreneur or even a leader, you always feel that अरे ये ठीक से काम करता होगा कि नहीं, अरे ये ठीक से करेगा कि नहीं, and we end up micromanaging things.
Okay.
So what I learned in my early days from whatever bad experiences I had, that these things do not help. I mean, you just have to give it up. You have to give it to people, because if you keep doing stuff that they are supposed to do, then
You
why have
can't.
you even
Yeah.
hired them, right?
Right.
You have to focus on, and obviously, I mean, if you are expecting them to be your clone, then you are actually wrong. You cannot have your clone. They may not do the things as you are expecting. There may be slight difference, but then that's how things work, right? It's not going to be as you want always.
Always correct.
So yeah, you have to trust and get the stuff out of them. I mean, if there is no trust, then there is no fun.
So, your entrepreneur journey, would you term it as a very, very successful journey, or no, it taught you and there was an element of success also?
No, I consider it successful. I don't wait, like success is not money or wealth for me.
Right.
Success is always related to learnings for me. So
Okay.
as long as I've learned something out of it, success doesn't matter that learning was bad or good learning, but I learned something. So for me, it's always going to be successful. I mean, there's no looking back. I will never ever think that अरे वो शायद नहीं हुआ रहता था तो मेरे साथ. I mean, no, come on. I mean, how will you run?
So, what are the chances of you going back to a full-time entrepreneurship?
Financial stability is the thing. So once I'm not saying things are not financially stable, but now once you have a family, you have to look after a lot of people. Then you really have to take care of things very carefully, and every step you need to really think twice. So yeah, obviously I keep, as being an entrepreneur, you always feel like अरे ये idea है इसको करते. You keep thinking all those things, but there is always a right time for it. I mean, I don't think it's the right time, but there will be for sure.
Very interesting. And then who would be your first, a person who will fund you? MyGlam for sure.
I'm not even thinking about funding, frankly speaking, right now. The way it is, like the way I think is funding should be the second the idea should click. It's like घंटी बजना चाहिए. अगर घंटी नहीं बजा तो फिर funding तो ठीक है मिल जाएगा, उधार लेके क्या फायदा है.
So, I think that probably is a one-step generation or 5 years younger to you or 10 years younger to you also,
Yeah.
of people who just seem to think that funding is the end to the means kind of a thing.
Yeah. Nowadays, yes, people do think that way.
Yeah, most of them. And suddenly I find a spate of people asking me that, oh, our funding has, dried up. So what do we do?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the challenge, because what I realized is that people plan their business keeping funding in mind, not the business in mind. I mean,
That's
that's
right.
what I have noticed recently. I don't know
That's
why, but
absolutely right. That's absolutely right.
yeah. I've seen, like, I think we had discussed earlier with someone. I told them that, nowadays A round or A series हो गया, even pre seed हो गया, या कुछ भी round हो गया, उनका first thing they do is they spend on those capex and lot of things.
Yeah,
Office
which
में
is
ये
not.
डालना है, वो डालना है, उसमें 10-20% payment उधर ही डाल देंगे. And then it dries up, right? Eventually, because your expenses are such huge. For example, for MyGlam, see, whatever funding we have received, as a company, we have not spent on things like lavish offices and giving all those facilities and all those things. It's just
No,
like,
you need a comfortable chair and a table.
exactly. I mean, no show shining. It doesn't make sense. And I'm
True.
thankful that our CEO also agrees to that vision. But yeah, I mean, that's what my view is: should not waste money on capex totally. Obviously, basic facilities are required, but not too much.
Interesting thought. Uh, I think there is a difference in any entrepreneur who has a journey of more than 8 to 12 years, doesn't talk about funding. And all founders seem to talk about funding, and entrepreneurs don't seem to be talking about funding. I don't know. I mean, I maybe.
See, founders need funding to keep those entrepreneurs with them, right?
Yeah.
So for us, people like me, I don't have to worry about the funding. Yeah, obviously the CEO has to worry about the funding. I agree. But I think after COVID, what I see is people will start talking more about the business than the funding rounds. Even I think VCs will also focus more on cutting costs and say that focus more on profitability than anything else. So let's see. I mean, I'm positive that will happen.
That is an interesting point of view. So, assuming whatever, the 3rd of May, and yesterday Mantralaya said 22nd of May or whatever.
Yeah.
Assuming 1st June as a respectable cutoff.
Yeah.
What would be your first, as the CTO for a company, what would be your first challenge? One, to obviously get everybody up to speed, and two, more importantly, be ready if something like this should ever happen again.
Yeah. So see, from the CTO's perspective, first thing I would actually do that. We got more time in hand where the traffic will be low on the site and everywhere. So let's make whatever changes we want. Let's improve wherever we want, whatever things we want. Let's do that in that period.
Right.
That's the golden chance that we have got. We would have never received earlier. It's obviously for business, it's not a good thing to do. Yeah, but for us, for technology, as a technology person, if you say this is the time to improve a lot of things.
Okay.
So for me, yeah, obviously there's.
So that's what your work from home team is doing. That.
So no, it's partially. So we have. So at MyGlam, what we do is we have about 6 to 8 months of work planned.
Okay.
So we create a product funnel. So we just keep taking things from there. So it's not something that, since the work is not there in terms of business, the tech won't do anything. But we have things planned, so that goes as per the plan. उसमें तो in fact speed आ गया है ज़्यादा, कम से ज़्यादा.
Correct.
कम नहीं हुआ है. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's quite. How much of an impact do you really think is going to be on not only MyGlam but in general similar businesses, so to speak? Okay, or take Nykaa or MyGlam or Etsy or whatever. I mean, similarly niche business, I would call them, because
Yeah.
it does beauty and fashion, right?
Yeah.
You don't do anything else.
Yeah. Yeah. We are just beauty special.
Yeah.
Only. Yeah.
So what I would prefer them is single category niche businesses. How will work from home actually affect you in the longer run? Will more people be transferred to work from home? Would you still require all 250 at the office? I mean, how? What does your thought say?
See, one thing work from home taught us, or everyone, I'm sure, that ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है कि आपको ऑफिस में आके ही होगा. So everything happens from work from home. It's not something. There is nothing possible. So yeah, earlier we used to be in impression that अरे ये बंदा घर से काम करेगा तो क्या होगा,
कैसे होगा?
कैसे होगा.
Correct.
But we managed it. Even the video production team जो है, video
हाँ.
editors, उसका भी कंप्यूटर हमने उसको भेज दिया और काम कर रहा है घर से.
कर रहा है.
So challenge नहीं है उधर. Of few areas there is a challenge where video shooting है, then warehouse and all those things.
Sure, sure.
That's where we felt, yeah, I mean, CS and everything is remote now. So absolutely there is no need for anyone to be office. But yeah, again, once lockdown is lifted, it's always good to work in office with people, because work from home, अकेलापन हो जाता है, frankly speaking, at one point, the people in my team just keep telling me that sir अभी office चालू हो जाए तो मिलके काम करते हैं, because whole day Zoom calls or Slack पे meetings, this, that, all those things keep happening. उससे अच्छा सामने बैठ के काम करने में जो मजा है वो घर में नहीं है.
Plus, obviously, घर पे बीवी का कच-कच है, parents का कच-कच है.
I just locked my room, so that my daughter doesn't enter.
No, in fact, just in the morning today, I was talking to another entrepreneur, and his daughter opened the door and came in and said, I also want to talk. So we had a 5-minute chat where I asked his daughter, I said, what do you know about Zoom? She's in upper KG,
Yeah.
right? And she was having today 4 p.m. party with her teacher and kids as a farewell party on Zoom.
Wow. Yeah, my daughter had this on Hangout on the last
something
day
like
of
that.
her school. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, they know all these things.
And she says that my dance class now, I always do every morning. So honestly enough, I think Zoom or even bloody Hotmail was never a part of our vocabulary.
Not at all.
Today,
Not at all.
if the kid is 4 years and above,
Yeah.
I think they have more of this to know. And okay, luckily enough, I have understood that in life, and by birth, I am a very lazy person. So I have taken full advantage of the fact that phone में ये करना है वो adjust नहीं होता है, तो instead of fiddling around looking at it or something, I either ask Bhatt or you.
Yeah.
And then also if I don't find, I tell my daughter, अरे बाबा आज हो iPhone में कहीं कर गया. So for lazy people like us, it is also a benefit to work with. But I am really, really shocked at the way kids have picked up.
Yeah, kids.
I mean, it's deep. It is phenomenal.
Yeah, I know. My daughter, I mean, keeps playing around with the things. Yeah, this video call and everything. They use some app, Seesaw or something like that, where they get all the lessons in the app, and she learns from it. There's a lot of things. Yeah.
And what is surprising is any brand new phone you give them, they know how to open it. They know the 4 basic things. They can find out the damn games on that phone.
Yeah.
They can know how to call and the number.
Yeah.
They know how to chat or send a message.
Yeah.
So
it's just crazy. My daughter, like every morning at 9 a.m. or 9:30 a.m., she calls up my sister's son, who is 3-year-old.
Yeah.
They do the FaceTime daily. It's like, "Shu kare je, I'm fine." This, that, all these things keep going on.
No, I think that's a very good thing also. I mean, we feel that it is not, but I think that's the future.
Yeah. Yeah.
Today we feel कि अरे यार कोविड के लिए हम लोग बाहर जाके मिल नहीं सकते हो. My daughter working from home for the last 6 weeks is the happiest person. She says, Dad, I can get so much work done.
Exactly.
And she says, I'm happy. I don't have to, unnecessarily talk to colleagues.
Yes.
So I said, yeah,
And
okay.
work from home has changed a lot. I mean, the way people think about work,
Oh, yeah.
that perception has changed a lot. In fact, you won't believe, I think we started work from home from what, 16th of March or something like that.
Right, right.
So, that first week of that period, we all were in a, especially the leaders were in a dilemma that they are working from their home, so we don't have any
Control.
control over what they are doing, this, that. Frankly speaking, I had that. Then after a week, my thought process changed totally. I mean, I thought I was so wrong to think like that, that that people won't work if they are working from home. We have to actually trust them and figure out, because they also know that they are getting paid for it, so they have to work. If
Of
they're
course.
not going to work, I mean, it will show in their performance report anyway, no?
Yeah, of
So
course.
where they will go, I mean, come on. I mean, as a work from home person, I understand sometimes you just relax for some time. You're not going to work for 9 hours.
But unfortunately,
Expect.
what happens is that 2 hours of commute time
Yeah,
now is converting into work time.
exactly. Yes, unfortunately, yes, yes. So everyone in my team, most of the people in my team complain that sir, हम लोग ज़्यादा late तक काम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah, 9 बजे तक काम होता है रात को. I can see emails going around at 10:30 p.m. also and 11:30 p.m. वो सब भी चालू होते हैं.
Because one of the things, Deep, I personally think is that we Indians don't have discipline. ऑफिस में है तो बॉस नहीं निकला तब तक कोई नहीं निकलने का. That philosophy works.
Yeah.
At home, nobody says. I mean, the youngsters say. I've seen youngsters say, 7 o'clock, now it is over, I will respond tomorrow. But I guess I think this 6-8 weeks has been a huge learning for everybody.
Yeah, totally.
And it should be for the better, I would.
Yeah. For everything, the mindset has changed. Earlier, we never be so careful, so thoughtful about doing anything. Now, even though we want to take one step or even minor thing we have to do, we think a lot. So yeah, I mean, that is a lot. And also this COVID has taught us a lot about the value of money.
Yes.
Be it business, be it personal life, anything, it has taught us that. At least for me, it has taught me, because earlier I know, I used to spend like crazy. I mean, I won't lie. Credit card bills, I know how much I used to pay. But after this, I realized that was it even necessary? I am still living very comfortable life with whatever expenses I am making right now, and those were just you just have a card, so you use it.
Exactly.
Expenses.
Exactly.
So yeah, that has taught a lot. I mean, at least. Yeah.
So how? What's the first tech thing besides an iPhone which you will buy post the COVID?
No, I'm going to say. That's what I learned a lot. That not to spend too much on the things which are not needed, right?
Except the Apple family.
Yeah, that also 2 years a phone is fine, but then also I'll have to be. At least I've learned that.
I think this is a story from you and Lucky Bhatt. I think I've been hearing this for the last 10 years. And some excuse, somebody coming from there, and your phone appears in the next 24 hours.
Yeah, I mean, that's what happened with iPhone 11 Pro. So
most of the times, Lucky will keep saying, "No, boss, मैं तो ये दफे तो यही है," and then his wife goes on a deputation for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So I said, listen, you guys are so married to Apple.
I even wanted to get iPhone for my dad, but my dad deletes stuff randomly, this, that. So I ended up giving my Android phone. I said, use करो ये.
और backup है, कोई problem नहीं है.
Yeah, iPhone उनको बहुत easy लगता है सब चीजें मिलने में. I said, use Android for now. Mom is used to iPhone, so I just give it to her.
So does your wife also work, or she does not work?
No. She told me very clearly that I really want to look after the daughter.
Oh, lovely.
She's very interested in photography. So maybe once her full school starts,
Correct.
first standard, that is, then she will explore.
Then she has time also.
Yeah, that's what
Right
she
now,
said.
by the time you drop them and come back, it is time to go and take them again.
Exactly.
That's true. That is very true.
Yeah.
So if during this period is fine, but if you are traveling, what? Talking, watching, sleeping, reading, what is your preference?
Sleep.
Okay.
So when I go to the office in the car, I use that 1 hour to take a nap. I sleep. While coming back, maybe sometimes I watch something on Netflix or Prime Video. But in the morning, I prefer sleeping. I don't want anyone to disturb me. I hate when people call me while I'm traveling, so I keep my phone on that sleep mode.
Okay.
So that I don't pick up. I just hate it.
So you watch what, on a tablet or a phone?
Yeah, on iPad, I just connect on my this seat, right backside of the seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is quite surprising. In
Why?
a crisis, what would one find you with? Tea or coffee?
Coffee, for sure.
So, and coffee is, you are a coffee snob or a coffee drinker or a coffee connoisseur?
मेरे को सिंपल कॉफी पिला दो जो चाय वाले के बाजू में मिलती है, मुझे चल जाएगी.
Means instead of tea, coffee.
Exactly. I'm not like अरे
ब्रू होगा तो भी चलेगा, स्टारबक्स होगा तो भी चलेगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
चाहिए, बस कॉफी दे दो.
वड़ा पाव वर्सेस पानी पूरी?
वड़ा पाव. I love pani puri, but vada pav is that is a different thing.
So now, so out of my 24, I have 3 in the vada pav category. Rest is everybody is pani puri.
Wow. Maybe I had too many pani puris in last 1 week. मेरी mom ने बना के रखा था, खाओ pani puri खाओ. बोला माफ कर दो यार.
That is true. That is true. Yeah. So what travel plans now?
Nothing. I don't travel much. I had planned to go to London, Paris in May with family. Everything was booked, and then COVID happened, so that will postpone to maybe, I don't know, December or something. Yeah, that's what my plan is, December or Jan. I want them to enjoy the Christmas in London, which is amazing. But then these parents, it should not be too chilly for them also. It will be too cold, then there is a problem. So that's what I have to balance. Yeah, that's what we have to see. But yeah, business-wise, not much. I had gone to Brazil a couple of times for some work. But otherwise, I'm just here only.
Interesting. So thank you very much, Deep, for sparing time for us. And we, once we clean it up a little bit, we will share that with you, and we will also share the broadcast dates with you.
Okay.
So what we are going to do is we are going to run this a couple of times over the next 60 days.
Okay.
And
okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
You have a good, be safe, be happy.
If you like this episode, like, share, and subscribe to the 1 Hour Mentor, Anak Desai.